The Big Bang Theory star Kaley Cuoco is engaged to boyfriend Carl Cook, so big congratulations are in order. The news was revealed on Instagram in an emotional video, taken just moments after Carl popped the question to the actress. In it, Kaley is seen crying as she exclaims, "I'm engaged," though her husband Toby notes that she hasn't said yes yet. Advertisement continue reading, "Beloise, I say yes, the star immediately replies. Kaley captioned the video, "Still crying, every part of this night has been perfection, just like you at Mertang Cook, I love you forever." Girl later posted a video of the pair dancing together, having earlier teased what was coming in a jokey post showing the couple shopping on Kaley's birthday yesterday, November 30th. The selfie shows a less than amused Kaley as her fiancé holds up a plastic engagement ring, Carl writing, "On my love's birthday I got her everything she has always wanted. Now judging by her face, maybe not, it's the thought that counts, right?" But of course, he later popped the actual question, saying, "After nearly 2 years I finally got up the courage to ask her to marry me. This is the best night of my life, and I think the video shows it is the best night for Kaley as well. If she said yes, nah, bless em." Want up to the minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @DigitalSpy Twitter account and you're all set.